Hold on. Okay. Hey you guys, how are you? I hope you all can hear me. I hope y'all are blessed and not stressed. Let's jump right into today's video. So, unless you've been living under a rock, I would hope that you know this whole pandemic has pretty much taken over the world by storm. Everyone's running for their lives, grab kids, grab your wives, run and go hide, okay? Okay, cool. So, a lot of the things that people are, panicked by in times like this due to the COVID-19 is masks and gloves, toilet tissue. I'm not really sure on that one, but okay, cool. Toilet tissue and also Lysol. So like pretty much everywhere Lysol's gone, toilet tissue is gone too. All right, whatever. So I'm actually going to come here today and I'm going to show you guys how to make a mask. And the mask that I'm showing you guys how to make is the Mini G style, how to make her mask that she has done. When you're done, the mask is actually going to look similar to what I have on, like this. It's actually really comfortable, to be honest with you. Oh, I like it. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, cool. So, yeah, let's jump right in. Ooh. Oh, alright, so of course, before you do anything, you're probably gonna need the template. Okay, again, because I'm doing the Mini G style mask, I just went on her website and I actually downloaded the template, which I'll probably just leave it for you guys in the description box below. This is what the template looks like. I hope y'all can see this. I don't know. Alright, cool. Whatever. So, this is what y'all gonna need, okay? You're gonna need this template to go from. Obviously, you're gonna need fabric. Oh, before I even start, okay, so, to all of the medical professionals who are on the front line and you guys are doing your very best to help everyone and all of the victims and their families in the hospitals right now, God bless you. Okay, thank you so much for working so hard. You have someone in your corner right here, okay? Yay. All right, so back to the actual making of this Mini G style mask. Before I start, I should probably let you guys know that this mask is like a fashion mask for, like, I guess civilians, if you want to call it. The CDC, here in the States, right? The CDC actually recommends that we wear the mask. The U.S. Centers for Controls and for disease control, and prevention. They have reevaluated the stance on like if it's going to be good enough for us to actually, be preventable or not. But however, I would not suggest any medical professional. I'm pretty sure you guys know by now. If you are a medical professional, please don't wear this word. They're most likely going to give you the N95 mask, which I've been told by friends and family who do work in the hospital that as soon as you go through the door, they give you a pair of gloves and they give you two pairs of gloves, and they also give you a mask, which is the N95 mask. But I do not have one with me, so I can show you guys what it's supposed to look like. Okay. In New York, it has been deemed that, hey, they actually passed this the other day. If you're gonna go outside, you actually need this mask to do anything. Some of the stores, they actually tell you right up at the front before you even walk in here, make sure you have your gloves on and you got your mask on. If you don't have that, you can't come in. It's kind of like a no shirt, no shirt, no shoes, no service policy. No gloves, no mask, no service. All right, cool, whatever. We're gonna jump right into today's tutorial, okay? So, like I said, you're gonna need this template, right? And I want you to go ahead and cut along the line so that you can get it. I obviously have already cut mine out, so I'm just gonna show you what I've been using to make my mask, and I've been giving these out. And I've also been selling them on my website, but I'll probably link that down below, right? So this is just my version of the template that I just showed you guys. Same exact thing. I just decided to cut it out. You're starting this. Obviously, you're gonna need fabric, so please get fabric. I'm showing you. I'm gonna take you guys on a little bit of a journey to show you how I personally make my mask. I'm just gonna run right through the process. This particular mask that I'm making is not going to have the filter. If you want specific details on how to put a filter in it, I would probably find someone who has done a filter and where you can learn how to put the filter in. Right, cool. However, the client for this mask that I'm making right now, they told me they do not want the filter in. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna say, since it's a simple mask, I'm just gonna show you guys how to make it, right? Of course, if you're using fabric, so you're gonna need you're gonna need fabric, okay, of your choice. This is the one that I decided to go with. It doesn't really matter how many yards you want to, go and get with a skein of fabric when you go to the store. That's up to you. Some people go 1 yard, some people go 2. It's up to you, whatever. Cool, right? Then you're also gonna need a lining fabric for the inside. This lining fabric is actually supposed to be a little bit shorter. This line here is actually about 1.25 inches, I think it is 1.25 inches or so, right here, in which this is going to be representing the second fabric, which is the lining fabric, okay? Alright, the other thing that you're going to need is you're going to need either a sewing machine or you're going to need, needles and thread so that you can sew it to your perfection. I'm using my Singer. I'm using my Singer Simple 3223G today. of how I go about things, okay? Also, you're gonna need, we call it measuring tape so that you can actually measure. If it helps you, then yes, it would definitely help you. Or you can actually use a ruler. This is what I have on hand right now, so boom, I'm gonna use this, okay? Alright, and you're also gonna need to use elastic. Okay, this is elastic, I just rolled it up, okay? Elastic, the thing recommends you use like a 1/4 of an inch. Yeah, like a 1/4 of an inch. This is 3/4 of an inch, but I mean 3/8. Yeah, I think it's like 3/8 or 3/4 of an inch. I'll actually put the specified details down below. However, when I put this in on my mask, I find that this is a little bit more sturdy and it doesn't hurt my clients, it doesn't hurt me, it doesn't hurt anyone who I have given this to, okay? And last but not least, it's a tomato. Well, you don't have to have a pincushion, but you do need some needles or pins, or if you do have the little clippies, so that you can put the fabric together so you know how the way you're gonna sew this, okay? Alright, so let's jump right in, okay? Okay, so I'm back, you guys, and I just wanted to make sure that you all can see me, y'all can hear me, y'all got this. Alright, now that we have this, you know, situated, I'm gonna take my piece of fabric, right, and what I'm gonna do first, I'm actually gonna sew along the widest part of the material. Right, I'm gonna sew along the widest part of the material first, so that you guys can see what it's gonna look like in the end, right? Back and I'm going to show you guys how I cut the material so that it's actually going to fit perfectly, right? So I hope you guys can see this, right? Yeah. All right, I have this on hand. My ruler's upstairs, so all right, cool. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and I'm going to go to the very edge, right? I'm going to actually measure it to see where it stops, and I'm probably going to make like a little indentation, even though I kind of know I've been doing this for a couple of weeks now, so yeah, right? I'm going to make like an indentation right here. Okay, now let's see if I can get this right. Right now on the paper it's supposed to say, oh yeah, I did it. Okay, it's approximately supposed to stop like right where the little dot is. I don't know if y'all can see the dot, but we'll see. Yeah. Alright, cool. So that's where it's supposed to actually land, right where that little dot is after the 1 inch mark. Okay, so I know that whenever I go back to cut my fabric now, I'm gonna cut approximately about, I think this is about 1.25 inches, right? Now how I usually do that is, ooh, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my fabric and I'm actually going to put it back on the outlining of this outline here, okay? Now, as you can see, the fabric obviously is a little bit ragged along the edges, but that's okay. We're going to clean it up, okay? So yeah, it's approximately about the same size as what we had just noted, right? What I am going to do, however, is I'm going to run here. Remember we had said about, I think it's approximately about 1.25 inches, right? I hope I'm saying that right. Okay, I am going to look in here. Oh good lord, what did I do with it? For a piece of chalk now. And this is where the fun part comes. Well, for me, right? Remember we had said that this is where it usually stops, like that little spot? Right, the little dot after the indentation of the 1 inch mark. Right here is where it stops. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to keep my finger on that and I'm going to actually go to the ending of this and I'm going to make like a little indentation here, okay? I'm going to take my chalk, my fabric chalk. I'm going to do it kind of like this so I know. And I also am going to do it this way, okay? Alright, I'm going to go like that. Now, you could be very precise with this. I kind of just eyeball it. You're trying to be perfect, if you're trying to perfect it, please don't eyeball it. But this is what I've been doing, okay? All right, what I do is I kind of just like go back, right? And I kind of line it up, all right? To like where that original indentation mark was. Oh no. Right, I'm gonna just draw a little line right here. It's gonna be kind of faded. Right, draw a little line right there. I'm gonna take my scissors. And I'm actually gonna I'm gonna actually cut along this line right here. I'm gonna do my very best to cut against a very straight line, okay? Oh, by the way, you guys, when you're trying to cut cloth, ooh, look at that. Wow, it's actually perfect. Who would have thought? I got it. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys can see this is literally what I just did. And now I'm actually gonna run the two of them back together now, back into the machine. Gonna use this to pin it up, and yeah, all right, cool. Okay, all right, so now we have both of the fabric pieces together, okay? What we're gonna do is we're going to open them up, all right? So that the right sides, like the correct side of this fabric will be showing, okay? So this is what it's going to look like after I'm done sewing on, and you know, making it look clickable and what have you, right? Cool. Now, same thing with this. See, we're just gonna turn it inside out, all right? And with these two pieces now that I have, this is what I do. What I do is I put them together. I put these weird, oof, I don't know if you can see this. Excuse me, I put the two innie-outie parts that we just sewn. I put them together. See them? This part is gonna be facing that part here. So it's gonna look a little something like this, right? Okay. And remember, my client did say that they do not want a filter. So for this one, I'm not gonna put a filter in it, okay? And okay, so when you line them up, this portion, remember we just cut this like that inch and a quarter or something like that. We just cut it off, right? So it's gonna be a little bit shorter when we lay them back together, okay? When we sit them down inside of each other. You see that? It's gonna be a little bit shorter. Wait, right. Shorter on this side, shorter on that side. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna pin the two together, okay? Before I actually throw them in the machine. And then when I come back, I'll show you what I do when I try to get them to sit down together, okay? Alright, I came back. So sorry about that. Hey, you guys. So I had to actually switch to my other tripod, which is the baby tripod, and I don't really like it too much. But I mean, like, the one thing I actually do like about this tripod is the fact that it's really sturdy, as opposed to the one that I was using before, which was just having a whole different connection over there. I don't know what's going on with it. So if the next couple of shots seem like really low angle or they seem a little bit off, just bear with me, okay? Oops. Show you what I do to pin it so that I know that I'm gonna go in a straight line, right? Boom. So I get it through the machine. I should have took my iron machine, my ironing, my iron. What's going on? Come on now. What is going on? Hello. Get it together. Come on now. Thank you. Okay, and I'm trying to throw the machine so that I can show you that this is the portion that I'm going to just okay, so what I did was, as you can see, I just, put the two pieces together, right? Ran them on the machine, and now we're gonna actually finish this part up. This part is the easiest for me, right? All we're gonna do is we're actually gonna go ahead and take your elastic. That's where it's gonna run. Okay, this is the front, and obviously this is the back. This is the lining for me. Okay, so I'm gonna take the elastic. And okay, so what I've seen people do was they had actually measured out about 22 inches for an adult, and I believe 17 inches for a child. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna get at least about, oh no, right? I don't know if I can see it, but oh, hang on. Right, about, that's 10, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Okay, right about there. Go ahead and I'm gonna cut this on the line. Okay. Then we're gonna go ahead and take a what do you call it? We're gonna take a paper clip. Sorry, not a paper clip. What am I saying? It's called a safety pin. Okay. I'm gonna take a safety pin, and we're gonna go ahead and put this in like one side of your elastic, and you're gonna run the elastic now through the little holes that we made. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna try and leave a little bit of elastic on this side of my mask. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cross this over. I'm gonna cross it over to this side. Okay, right. Okay, cool. So I try to make it like straight. Sometimes it's gonna come out like crisscrossy. I try not to make it crisscrossy, especially the ones that are for my clients, right? Oh, hang on. I'm gonna do the exact same thing on this side. I'm just gonna cinch it down, cinch it down, cinch it down. Come on. Gotcha. Boom. Then, hang on a second. Right? That is what we're gonna do. And then I usually paperclip. I keep saying paperclip. I mean to say like a safety pin these two together. Or if not safety pin. Usually I take like not a regular pin or like a clip to hold the two of them together in place. So that I know like I don't usually try to go too far. Ow! I'm just not winning today, huh? Right? Like I try not to go that far whenever I put that in. Right? Cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you make a basic mask. From here I'm gonna run this back into the machine again to just like seal this off right here. And yeah, that's it. Alright, and now we are actually done. Whew, thank you so much for like coming with me on this journey of actually trying to make a mask. Oof, like I feel like I was kind of rushing, so I'm most likely gonna do another mask to give to my client, and this is what it came out like. Okay, I don't want to stretch it out for the sake of it not being my mask. It's gonna be his, so yeah, but what the hell. Oh. Okay, ta-da. Okay, this is so awkward to do this on camera, but then of course this is gonna go behind your head and it's gonna be fitted and everything's gonna be a-okay. Again, when you're finished, it's not gonna look like all raggedy like this one. This one is just because I was first trying it out. Okay, this is like the very, very first one that I ever did, and I wanted to show you guys what it's supposed to look like. Okay, so no, it's not gonna look raggedy like this one. All right, but yeah. This is what it's gonna be like. Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you so much for coming with me on this journey. If you actually like my content, go ahead, comment, subscribe, and comment. Yeah, like comment down below, subscribe, hit the little button, hit the bell. Tell me what you guys want to see in the future. I'm actually thinking of actually posting more sewing tutorials, and yeah, I don't know. We'll see it, but for everyone that's out there in this quarantine, man, so just stay safe, okay? Yeah, like peace and blessings. Peace, hair grease. I'm out of here.